Hello students, in today's lecture we will learn units and measurement practice question part 1. So in this lecture we will cover 12 questions, 12 practice questions. Clear? So first question is, in which of the following systems of units a Weber is a unit of the magnetic flux? Means there are 4 options: CGS system, MK system, SI system, FPS system. In which of the following systems of units Weber is the unit of magnetic flux? In which system? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. So let's find a solution. Your answer is C. A Weber is the unit of magnetic flux in SI system. In SI system, Weber is the unit of magnetic flux. Clear? Next question is this. Read question carefully. In an experiment, the angles are required to be measured using instrument. 29 divisions of the main scale exactly coincide with the 30 divisions of the vernier scale. If the smallest division of the main scale is the half a degree, then the least count of the instrument is what? So, what is the least count of the instrument? First is 1 minute, second is half minute, third is 1 degree, fourth is half degree. Clear? You have 10 seconds to solve this question. After that, we will provide. So, let's find a solution. So, the formula of least count is this value of main scale division divide number of divisions multiply number of divisions on the vernier scale is 1 by 30 MSD. By calculating, the answer is the 1 minute. The correct answer is 1 minute. Clear? A option is correct. Next is third question. A student measured the length of a rod and wrote it as 3.50 centimeter. Which instrument did he use to measure it? Which instrument? This question in JEE Main 2014. A meter scale. First option is a vernier caliper where the 10 divisions in vernier scale matches with 9 divisions in main scale, and main scale has a 10 divisions in 1 centimeter. A screw gauge having 100 divisions in the circular scale and pitch has 1 mm. And D option is a screw gauge having 50 divisions in the circular scale and pitch has 1 mm. So which one is the correct answer? You have a 10 seconds to find this solution. Let's find a solution. Question says measured length of a rod and rod is 3.50 centimeter. Which instrument did he use to measure it? The correct answer is B, a vernier caliper. Solution is if student measures 3.5 centimeter, it means that there is an uncertainty of 1 divided 100 centimeter. For vernier scale, 1 MSD equal to 1 mm and 9 MSD equal to 10 VSD. So least count is of vernier caliper 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. So after calculation, it becomes this. Clear? Next question is n divisions on main scale of a vernier calipers coincide with n plus 1 division of the vernier scale. Each division on main scale is of A units. Least count of instrument is, what is the least count? You have a 10 second to solve this question. Let's find a solution. So question asked least count. Correct answer is B, A upon n plus 1. The solution is 1 plus 1 n plus 1 VSD is equal to n MSD. So 1 VSD equal to n divide n plus 1 MSD. So according to formula of least count, 1 MSD minus 1 VSD, value of measured MSD. So after calculation, it becomes A upon n plus 1. Clear? So correct answer is B, A upon n plus 1. Now next question, fifth question. 1/8 centimeter on the main scale of a vernier caliper is divided into 10 equal parts. If 10 of the divisions of the vernier coincide with small divisions on main scale, the least count of the calipers is what? Least count of the calipers is what? 0.005 centimeter, 0.02 centimeter, 0.01 centimeter, and 0.05 centimeter. Which one is correct? A, B, C, D. So you have a 10 second to solve this question. After that, we will provide. Let's find a solution. So correct answer is B. This is the method to calculate the answer. 1 MSD equal to 1 by 10 centimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter and 10 VSD equal to 8 MSD. Hence we get 1 VSD equal to 8 divided by 10 MSD, which is becomes 0.08 centimeter. And according to formula of least count, the answer is 0.02 centimeter. Clear? Answer is B, 0.02 centimeter. Clear? Next question. Sixth question. Sixth question is the respective number of significant figures for the numbers this, this, and this are. So calculate the significant figures. You have a 10 second to solve this question. Let's calculate the answer. So this is the first, second, third. So number of significant figures in this digit is 5, and number of significant figures in this is only 1 according to rules of significant figures, and in this is 2. So 5, 1, 2. Correct option is A. 5, 1, 2. 5, 1, 2. This is 5, 1, 2. This is the correct answer. Clear? Next question. Seventh question. Seventh question is a bee of mass this kg sits on a flower of mass this kg. What is the total mass supported by the stem of the flower up to appropriate significant figures? Option is this: 0.012387 kg, 0.01239 kg, and 0.0124 kg, and last option 0.012 kg. Which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After that we will provide. Let's find a solution. The correct answer is D. Solution: the mass of the bee has two significant figures in kg, whereas the mass of the flower has three significant figures. Hence, the sum must be rounded off to the third decimal place. Therefore, the correct significant figure is 0.012. This is the correct answer. D. Clear? D option is correct. Next is eighth question. The radius of a uniform wire is R is 0.021 centimeter. The value of pi is given to be 3.142. What is the area of cross section of the wire up to appropriate significant figures? These are the options: 0.014 centimeter square, 0.0139 centimeter square, 0.01386 centimeter square, and 0.0013856 centimeter square. Which one is correct? Solve the question. You have a 10 second. Next, find a solution. Area is pi r square and the r is 0.021 centimeter. After putting the pi is given 3.142. After putting the value of r, then it becomes this after calculating. Now there are only two significant figures in 0.021 centimeter. Hence, the result must be round off to two significant figures as area is this. So correct answer is A. A is correct answer. Clear? Next question. Ninth question. This. A man runs 100.5 meter in 10.3 seconds. Find his average speed up to approximate significant figures. Options is 9.7 meter per second, 9.708 meter per second, 9.7087 meter per second, 9.70874 meter per second. Which one is correct? A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Find out the solution. You have a 10 second. Clear? Let's find the solution. Average speed is equal to total distance on total time. Man runs 100.5 meter in 10.3 seconds. Then using this formula, total distance upon total time, we can calculate the average speed, which is 9.75728 meter per second. The distance has four significant figures, but the time has only three. Hence, the result must be round off to three significant figure to 9.71 meter per second. Clear? The correct answer is A. Clear? A is correct answer. Now, 10th question. If the length of road A is this, and that of B is this, then the road B is longer than road A by centimeter. Options is given. Statement first is true. Statement 2 is true. Statement 2 is the correct explanation for statement first. B, this, C is this, and D is this. Which one is correct? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. Let's calculate the answer. A is this 0.25 plus minus 0.01 centimeter, and B is this 4.19 plus minus 0.01 centimeter. Clear? So Y is equal to B minus A. After calculating, it is 0.94 centimeter, and delta Y equal to delta B plus delta A. And after calculation, it becomes 0.02 centimeter. So final answer is this. Clear? The correct answer is C. C is correct answer. Clear? Move next question. You measure two quantities A equal to this 1 point meter plus minus 0.2 meter. B is this. We should report correct value of this as which one option is correct. You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. Which one is correct? A, B, C, and D. Which one is correct? Clear? Let's find a solution. Here A is this and B is this. X equal to under root में AB. After calculating, it becomes 1.414 meter. Rounding of two digits, x equal to under root AB 1.4 meter. Now, delta x by A equal to 1 by 2 delta A by A plus delta B by B. After putting the values in this is the delta x is 0.2121 and hence under root AB equal to finalized answer is this. Correct answer is D. Clear? No. Next 12th question is this. A student measured the length of the pendulum 1.21 meter using the meter scale and the time for 25 vibrations as 2 meter 20 second using his wristwatch. Absolute error in G is this. Which one is correct option? 0.11 meter per second square, 0.88 meter per second square, 0.44 meter per second square, 0.22 meter per second square. You have a 10 second to solve this question. Now let's find the solution. Correct answer is D. How? We know T equal to under root में 2 pi T equal to 2 pi under root में L by G. Clear? Putting the all values in the formula, G equal to 4 pi square L by T square. Delta G by G and delta L by L plus में 2 delta T by T. So absolute error in G is this. Putting the values and multiply by 9.8, it becomes 0.02 meter per second square. Clear? So D option is correct. So the main formulas using in this list count of vernier caliper. List count equal to value of one main scale division divided by number of deviation on vernier scale. List count of vernier calipers with n and n plus 1 divisions, which is an a upon n plus 1. And list count for vernier calipers given divisions and length. List count is equal to MSD minus VSD and number of significant figures for addition, subtraction, and for multiplication and division. Propagation of error in calculation while finding using this concept. Clear? So these are the main formulas using in questions and we learn. Clear? Thank you.